Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitchin with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we're going to be starting this one, and I believe I called it either Lotus and Koi or Koi and Lotus. And we're going to be starting right down in here, and the color is 3847. It is that teal color. Sorry. Blah. I was thinking and looking at the same time. Didn't work. So how's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. Because, yeah, gorgeous day here. I had a gorgeous day yesterday. Oh, and I am using 3 strands of floss because this is an 11 count, just for reference and everything else. Oh, sorry. It's either here or there. This canvas is so big I had to fold it up about 4 times. So we got it. Hopefully you can see this when I get it done, because I'm stitching on a dark symbol, but we'll get it done. So what's everybody up to? Got any plans for this week? Doing some spring things? Are you starting your gardens, or, you know, planting flowers yet? I don't know when we even plant flowers here, because, you know, we did that like 1 year, and beyond that, yeah, because we planted everything, and I had things in buckets, and then we got a rain and hailstorm and ruined everything. So yeah, I was just kind of over it. So we hadn't done that, but they, you know, we have planters in town, kind of like on the corners in the downtown area, and they always fill them up nicely. But I'm thinking that's not for at least another couple months around here, you know, because you just never know about the weather. Of course, you know, that's not saying much, because we didn't know about winter. We barely had any. I think we probably got 10 inches of snow. And I live in Colorado, in the mountains, where we get feet of snow. So, yeah. Fun times. I stitched a little bit on that childhood friend one. But not much stitching going on. It's just a little difficult to stitch sitting in this chair, and in my bedroom I don't have much of an overhead light. So, yeah. It's not getting a lot of attention. So, we're doing our best here. Watched a little YouTube and a little bit of Netflix, and nothing too terribly exciting here. Just haven't felt like watching too much. So we will see. Sometimes when I'm watching like a movie or something, it just kind of makes me dizzy. I think my equilibrium is off, if you will. But get over there. Didn't really know quite where to start on this thing. Anyway, I was going to have a lot, you know, either way, in any place I started, I was going to have a lot of folded up material here. My desk is only so big. But we got it whooped. Did manage to crunch down an area, and it crunched really nice and easy, so that was not a problem. So no idea what I'll be working on today. I got about, we'll say 10 cross stitches within my grasp, shall we say. So maybe more, but not too many more. Plus there's the new ones, you know, that I've gotten over past couple of days. And maybe we'll start the cat one of those days this week, and maybe we'll start that rose. So we'll see. I wanted to stitch on the that garden gate. I couldn't remember what the heck I called it. One, because it's fairly easy, you know. Not so much confetti, that kind of thing. Let me get this out of there. Whoop. Put that over there. Sure is a pretty color. Teal, I guess. It's really kind of a dark, it looks darker here than it does when you're holding it in my hand, you know. So, we'll see. I thought I'd missed some. It was a different symbol. Oh, geez. At least this one's nice and big. So the squares are good and big. And hopefully you can tell what I'm working on. Sometimes I forget to look up, and we're like totally off the margin here. Did a little slow stitching yesterday. Nothing too exciting or hairy, just plain old straight stitching. I haven't felt like messing with the beads and the sequins and that whole bunch, because some days. Then it's kind of like diamond painting. About every third time I decide I want to do that, I spill the stupid beads everywhere, so that's not too helpful. End up having to pick them up off the table. Okay. Boy, this is kind of hard to see. Stitching a dark color on a dark symbol. I couldn't even tell you if that's a square or a triangle in there. I think it's, because if I turn it one way it looks like a triangle, and if I turn it another way it looks like a stupid square, so go figure. Your choice. It doesn't matter, I'm stitching it anyway. So maybe I'll get out that flowers by the gate today and work on it, because it's kind of small. I don't have to hold so much in my lap or my hand. Came close to getting the girls out, the 18 hairpin ladies, but it was like 90 degrees in this house. I got fans, But yeah, that's about the last darn thing I wanted on my lap. So, yeah. I just wonder if the weather's getting any better where everybody else is living. Because there was some storms and more storms, and I couldn't decipher whether it was rain, snow, hurricane, you know. So let me know in the comment section. And of course, we never hear about the weather over in, say, England, Ireland, Australia even. No, that won't be happening. We barely hear about, say, Hawaii. Only if something, you know, is going on that's really important, you know. So, yeah. Oh, goodness. I'm not going to make it through this day without a nap. I am telling you. One thing about 11 count, though, it does cover a lot of area fast. So that's helpful. Whoop. All right, guys. I know these have been kind of short, so sorry about that. We'll get better. Put that right there. Oh, get my picture down before I put that up there because it kind of consumes, oops, sorry, consumes everything. But yeah, so that's going to come down here, and there is a flower here. I was going to start on that flower, but there's like 10 symbols, so I was going to do the red, but it wasn't a color that I wanted. It was more of a pale, so yeah. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. I sure do appreciate you all watching and everything. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.